Right, as Trevor with O'Brien Strength and Conditioning. Today we were talking about cluster sets. So what are cluster sets? Why are they beneficial? How can you implement them into your programming? You typically want to use these with your main compound lifts, so your squat, your deadlift, your bench press, your Olympic lifts, cleans, power cleans, things like that. What it allows us to do though is to train at a higher intensity with more weight, with more volume, because we're including more intra-set rest periods. And so you're basically performing two or three reps, and then you rest, and then perform those reps again, and then rest, and then perform those reps again, and then rest for a longer period of time, and then you increase the weight, and then you do that again for however many reps you have prescribed that for that day. So what this typically looks like, and this is how I write it in my programming, how you would see it in any of my programs, we have 3 clusters of you perform 3 reps, and then you rest for 15 seconds, perform 2 reps, rest for 15 seconds, perform 2 reps, and then you rest for 2 minutes. This could be 2 to 3 minutes depending on the lift, and then you increase the weight, and then you do it again. So with a back squat, this could potentially look like this. So we fully re-rack the bar. We don't want to just stand there because we're using energy while the bar is still on our back. So we fully re-rack. We rested for 15 seconds. We re-rack again, rest for another 10 to 15 seconds, and then we're going to do the final 2 repetitions. So based on how this is written, I would rest for 2 minutes now, and then I would increase the weight, and then I would do that for 2 more clusters.